Hi everyone, this reading is for all the Cancerian Sun Moon Rising for the month of August. So let's see what do we have for the Cancerians. Peace, time to go, building blocks, and we have clean it up. It's time to become comfortable with the discomfort in the month of August, Cancerians. I do think that you have been giving a lot of priority to comfort, okay? And this comfort is sounding more like being in a shell, not coming out of your comfort zone. This comfort sounds like not moving anywhere, okay? Probably you have certain dreams and aspirations about flying, being here, being there and stuff. Even it doesn't matter how much you travel, it doesn't matter what all you do, it doesn't matter, in your career, the different things that you're doing, and you want to spread your existence in this entire world and blah blah blah, or globally and this and that. But your spirit, not even spirit, yeah, I would say your spirit is at the same place. Your spirit is not moving with your aspirations, it's just your mind which is going with you. Your spirit is at the same place, okay? So whatever you are doing, you're not in touch with your spirit, you are not in alignment with the spirit. This is a very very important message for you. It's like your mind going here and there. You might think that you are doing something great, or you have some crazy ideas and you have some amazing ideas, but that is not true. Your spirit is just there. Your spirit is not helping you or supporting you in the journeys, in these different journeys, because I do feel that you are trying to be in different areas, okay? Secondly, we also have the card of time to go. So it seems that it's not like you are going to move away from something, but it seems that you are moving towards something, okay? And this gate that you see in the card, it's definitely not I would say it is it seems a bit unknown. It's like you know where you are going, but the experience of it is unknown, okay? You don't know what it holds, you don't know what the future holds, okay? And I do see that some of you are trying to build something. You are doing some hard work, and this is the hard work that is not even required, because I don't know, it feels like you are adding more and more furniture into your home, okay? And then you will see that you have no space for more furniture, and your home has become like a furniture shop rather than being a home. So this is exactly what you are doing with your life. There's something that you keep on adding to, okay? And then there will be a point where you will see, now I need to clean the space, now I need to clean certain things from my life, now I need to declutter some things, now I need to clean this energy up. So why in the first place you are bringing more and more into your life? Why are you buying so many things? Why are you buying so much of furniture? That is the energy that I see. Let's clarify the cards. You're definitely walking towards something that you are passionate about, and for some I do feel that you have this some sense of overconfident energy, okay, and you think that you are just going to nail it, you are just going to achieve everything once you just step into this area or into this zone of your life. But be very much aware of it, because there are certain warning signs that universe is being trying to what universe is trying to give you. There are certain messages that universe is wanting to give you. Probably this reading is one of them. So be a little careful when it comes to chasing new stuff, when it comes to chasing new kind of passion, new kind of interest, because right now your life is asking you to become a bit slow. Right now your life is asking you to follow or focus more on your relationships, focus more on mending your friendships, mending your relationships. I do feel that there are certain important people in your life with whom either you are not in touch with, or there's some bitterness which is going on. So this month for you is a month of relationships. This month for you is a month of friendships, where you need to mend these things, instead of just thinking that I can go solo and blah blah blah. No, my dear, someone or something is stopping you to do it. Okay, let's clarify building blocks. Queen of Cups, King of Wands, Ten of Pentacles. So there is one thing that you do in life in order to move away from something, okay, and there's another thing where you do something in your life because you want to do it, because your heart is wanting to do it. So here, whatever you do in your career, whatever decisions you are taking in your life, in your personal life, okay, whatever you are trying to build, you need to see, are you trying to escape from something, are you moving away from something, or this is your heart's calling? Because I do see some kind of confusion here. Some of you have this agenda of becoming famous, some of you have this agenda of seeking validation from the society or from others, and you think that it's going to take you to places and stuff. So, and you are naming this as your heart's desire, you are naming this thing as your gut feeling, your intuition, or whatever. So I would really say that just think before you do or you start anything new, and you should take advice from your family members as well, because that will bring a good change into your life, that will bring a wise choice into your mind. Let's see, clean it up. We have Six of Swords, Eight of Wands, and we have the Lovers. So this is specifically for the ones, this is actually specifically for your love life. So you need to clean up some energy, and this energy is related to something extra that you are doing in your life, something that you shouldn't be focusing on. And for some, there's a news of baby. Okay, you might want to plan baby with your partner, and this is the new energy that you are starting, this is a new journey that you are starting with them, and you will have to put a lot of attention, you will have to become more attentive towards your partner, more attentive towards yourself also. And even if that is not the case, still I do have this feeling where you need to become more attentive towards your partner, more attentive into your love life, into your relationship. You need to put more efforts into your relationship. Okay, I also have this feeling that some kind of communication is missing with your partner, so you need to communicate with your partner more, you need to be more transparent with your partner. Okay, more expressive, more creative as well. So that is what I see, and some of you are going on a date very soon, even the single ones. So that is it. Bye bye.